Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, chili con carne, we all love it. You can have it in so many different ways. It's a really quick dish to make and I want to show you my way of making chili con carne. This is called a Dutch oven and I love cooking on it. I take it with me camping in the desert, and whenever we're camping in the desert, there's always chili con carne. It's just a different flavor when it's cooked in cast iron. I'm going to start with some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add my onion, saute that just until it starts turning translucent. Garlic, I have 4 cloves, just going to crush them in. I can smell the garlic, it's just so yummy. I don't know how some people, they just can't eat garlic. I really don't know how they can do that. I cannot live without garlic. I have here some really lean cubed beef. I'm just going to add it in. This is where I've done it different, because normally everybody does it with mince meat, but I want to give it a little change and I find it nicer when it's chunkier like this. Spices, I've got paprika, around a teaspoon. I've got some thyme, again 1 teaspoon. Little touch of sugar, because I'm going to be using some tomatoes. 1½ teaspoons cumin, and I have 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, and of course crushed black pepper. Give that all a mix. I'm just going to let that brown a little bit, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add some tomato paste. I've got around 3 tablespoons. Chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you want, but this is faster. I've got my chipotle and adobo. This is like spicy peppers in a sauce, and I love it because it really gives it a smoky flavor. If you don't have it, it'll still be very delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of green pepper, add them in, water, and I have my red kidney beans. I have 2 tins. I'm gonna put 1½ there, and the rest, I just wanna pulse it and make it into a puree. That will make the whole mix have more body. And now, I'm just gonna let it come to the boil, close the lid, and just let it cook. The chili is ready. It's reached the consistency I want, and my beef is cooked. So, time for plating. I'm gonna top it with some salsa, pico di gallo, some sour cream, fresh coriander, and of course, more chili for me. And that's it, my healthy chili con carne. Enjoy.